Hello everyone, welcome to Systematic Sheet 7. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful features in Excel, pivot tables. With pivot tables, you can summarize thousands of rows of data in just a few clicks. Let's get started. So what is a pivot table? A pivot table is a tool that helps you summarize data, analyze sales reports, create quick reports, find totals and insights without formulas. This is why pivot tables are widely used in offices and businesses. So let's understand our data. Here we have sales data containing columns date, salesperson, region, product, and sales amount. Suppose your manager asks, which region generated the highest sales? Instead of calculating manually, we can create a pivot table. Creating the pivot table. Step 1. Select the entire table. Step 2. Go to the Insert tab. Step 3. Click Pivot Table. Step 4. Select New Worksheet. Step 5. Press OK. A blank pivot table appears. So as your manager asks which region generated the highest sales, we now drag the region column to the rows and the sales to the values. Instantly, Excel shows total sales by region. So you have created your first report without using a single formula. Amazing, right? Now let's create another report. We now want to know which product sold the most. We remove region from the rows box and place or drag the product in the rows box. And the sales in the values box remains the same. Excel now immediately shows the total sales for the laptop, mobile, and tablet. This helps business identify their best selling products. You can also find out which salesperson did the best. Now drag the salesperson in the rows box. The sales and the values box remain the same. Now you can instantly compare the employee's performance. This is why managers love pivot tables. Today you have learned what a pivot table is, how to create one, and how to summarize data in seconds. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Systematic Sheets 7 channel. Thank you for watching. Also, if you would like a part 2 on pivot tables with filters, slices, and charts, comment part 2 below in the comment section.